Let's see how the gold is doing today. Yesterday the price formed a bearish candle. It was a pretty large wick on the upper side, where we can see that the price has opened with a gap. The week started with a pretty large gap where the price, we can see on the daily time frame, has opened at the support level 3001.81, and the price has ended the day at the next support level, which is 2981.69. You can see the price has dropped down even further to the next, which is also weekly support level 2952.97. It has retraced back up, bouncing from this area of supported demand zone, and we can see the price formed a bearish candle. Well, yesterday we can see how the price has behaved on the 4-hour time frame, which is currently, we can see it's not very easy to trade because of the large wicks on the upper side and the lower side. The price has a large volatility on the market, which means the indecision between the buyers and the sellers. The price cannot make clear direction and move, like in this example, clearly in one of the directions. We can see the price has reached very close to 2952.97 on the 4-hour time frame, but we can see that on the 4-hour time frame in the morning when the week started, the price was jumping a lot between these two areas of support and resistance. After that, the price has calmed down a little bit. We can see that this was the gap. We can see the open price and we can see the close price, and then the price continued to lose its value during the day, where the price at the end of the day yesterday started to rise in value, and currently it is at 3001.81 as a resistance level. What we can expect today from this one, just to go to the 1-hour time frame to show you that it's not very easy to trade like this, because the price does not respect any support and resistance because of the large volatility. We can see that here when the price has started the week here, the gap, the price opened here, but the price returned back up just to close this gap. Then the price, we can see several support and resistance levels are covered and also broken with each of these candles, so it's not very easy to make any kind of trade. So for this, in this case, it is the best to move to the higher time frame, like 4-hour time frame, and see how the price will behave here. Just a minute. What we can also make a conclusion for today, where the price could go and also what we can expect. First of all, on the daily time frame, we can see that the price has opened very close price to 3001.81, and it has a close price to 2981.69, which means this is the resistance, this is the support that has held the price yesterday, not allowing the price to go up or down to close the price below or above this area. Which means today it is also a very important levels for the price to make any kind of movement. So for today, the main important thing for me is to wait, will the price manage to make a bullish breakout above 3001.81, which will allow the price to reach higher price levels. And first of all, this is the one here around 3020, or it will the price make a bearish breakout below 2981.69, which will allow the price to reach again to 2952.97. This is the area at demand zone. 4-hour time frame shows me that currently we have here a resistance level, and this is the support level. If the price managed to make a bullish breakout, we can see that 3026.21 is the next resistance level where the price will try to reach if the price managed to make a bullish breakout. And below that, a support level, if it is broken, the next support level will be here 2952. So this is the area that I'm watching closely today and waiting for the price to make any kind of movements. The daily time frame shows that we are currently at a very important support level. The price is bounced, and it is in between a larger resistance level and the support level. So the price is in between these two price levels, where the price needs to make a decision to reach one of these in order to determine where the price could go in the future. For now, I'm a little bit more open to see the price trying to move a little bit higher above, which means a bullish breakout above this area, but we will see how the price will behave. We are currently inside this downtrend channel. We can see that here, and the price is going down. The price formed a bearish breakout below this area of the daily support, also this one, and the price currently it is retracing back up, just testing the previous support. Will it act as a resistance, or it will be broken and then act again as a support? So this is a very important one, a price level, a resistance level that needs to be broken. So I am very cautious. Will the price easily to go up, make a bullish breakout, or it will the price bounce back down? 1-hour time frame, it's not very easy to watch because the price does not follow easily these support and resistance levels. So I will pay attention to 1-hour time frame, but I will not give too much of confidence on each of these breakouts because the price is very close to them, to these support and resistance levels, and because of the large volatility, especially if the market starts to move strongly when the European session starts. So for now I'm very cautious and I'm waiting for the price to see how the price will behave around this area of resistance, this support, and then we'll see how the price will do and in which direction to go. For now, that's all for today. If you would like to receive these updates during the day, especially 1 hour time frame and 4 hour time frame, if the price makes a bearish breakout or bullish breakout, feel free to check the premium analysis. Inside I share the details with traders and also the rest of these symbols. You can see that totally all 8 of them I also analyze and give them information about the breakout. In this current status on the market, it is very hard to trade because it is pretty large volatility and entering the trade could easily trigger the stop loss. So I'm very cautious to pick which the breakout is good for trading or not. Yesterday I had 2 of them. It was profitable. Both of them are profitable. So if you would like to receive them, feel free to check the premium analysis. That's all for today. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.